Kitchener, Ontario, Canada's Silicon Valley. For years, people have been saying that Kitchener's up and coming, the next big thing. A place with a true hustle mentality, where startups are flourishing, tech jobs are booming, and the next billion-dollar app could be just around the corner. Those people were right. So now, the question is, what do you do with all this talent? It's simple. You give it somewhere to live that's worthy of it. Introducing TEK Tower, 44 stories of smart home-enabled next-generation condo living. Tech companies changed Kitchener, and now TEK Tower is going to change Kitchener's skyline. When it's completed, it'll be the tallest building in the city, and it'll sit in the center of the Innovation District, right between Google and the University of Waterloo's Velocity Incubator. TEK Tower will feature 1- and 2-bedroom suites with stunning views of the city and a 12,000 square foot elevated park where you can work, entertain, or find calm in an urban garden. Kitchener made it, but we didn't get this far by being easily satisfied. So let's take it in and savor the moment, and then get back to planning what's next. TEK Tower, where tech comes home. Register now at tektower.ca.